When it comes to Chinese food, few dishes are as recognizable as the bao. The Chinese word originally looked like a baby in a womb. The delicious bun-wrapped filling varies across China and its culinary history. And the strict definition of what a bao is gets murky depending on who you ask and where you go. Let's start with this. What is a bao made of? In its most generic form, the skin is wheat, flour, water, and yeast. The dough is usually made hours beforehand and left to rise so that it's easy to shape. The filling usually consists of fatty ground pork mixed in with aromatics. It's then wrapped so that the filling doesn't fall out. Finally, more often than not, it's steamed. Because wheat flour was more typically found in northern China, it's said that the archetypal bao originated there. And as trade routes developed, variations of it began to exist all over China, and now many provinces have their own renditions with different types of fillings, skin, and cooking methodology. In Guangdong, there's xiaolongbao, fluffy buns stuffed with the iconic sweet barbecue pork of the region. In Shandong, there's pan-fried pork buns. And in Shanghai, there's xiaolongbao, soup-filled dumplings. But wait, what's the difference between a bao and a dumpling? To be honest, not much. In Chinese, this is a xiaolongbao, but in English, it's sometimes called a soup dumpling. We asked Twitter and got a wide range of answers.
Baos tend to be more fluffy and dry, right?
Pretty sure baos are steamed and dumplings are boiled.
Wait, but can't a bao also be a dumpling? We found the formal definition of a dumpling according to the Merriam-Webster dictionary. A dumpling is a small mass of dough cooked by boiling or steaming. So, is a xiaolongbao also a dumpling? Yes. Then, we tried to define a bao by mapping its characteristics. We found that while most baos have a thicker wrapper and are steamed, there are exceptions to this rule. The xiaolongbao, for instance. So, is xiaolongbao also a bao? Yes. Semantics aside, baos are a universal dish within China, and while we've profiled them many times before, this season, we'll be diving into regional bao variations from Shandong, Fujian, Jiangsu, Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Xinjiang, and we'll show you how they're made and what's in them. You'll find out that there's a lot more to a bao than just a bun and a filling. For the first episode, we'll be going to Shanghai to see how soup dumplings are put together and what makes them so, well, soupy. Stay tuned.